This video will assist you in completing your vendor profile on PM Surya Ghar portal. Go to www.pmsuryaghar.gov.in and click on Login. Select the option for vendor login. Login using your email address. Enter your password created during the registration process. Enter the captcha for verification. Click on Login to proceed. After the login, the system will prompt you to complete your profile first. Click on Proceed to go ahead. First of all, enter the name of the contact person. Next, enter the email ID. Please note, this is different from the registered email address. Enter the mobile number of the contact person. Enter other details related to your organization. Next, enter your bank details. Start by entering the IFSC code. Select your bank from the drop-down list. Enter the branch name. Enter the account holder's name. Enter the account number. Re-enter the account number for confirmation. Upload a copy of cancelled check or bank passbook or a bank statement. Once all details have been entered, click on Submit. The system will prompt you to fill your operational area. Click on Proceed to move forward. Click on the operational district on the menu on the side panel. You will get the list of all the districts of the state you have registered for on the left side. And once you double-click on the Add icon, the same gets added in the list under My Districts. You can also click on this icon to add districts. Finally, click on the Save button to save this district list. Your profile will be visible to consumers from these districts. This video covered the process of completing the vendor profile on PM Surya Ghar portal.